what's up? I'm hiding from the sun. I'm working on the Shovelhead right now. I got it all buttoned up. I'm doing the points right now. Then I'm gonna wash it, which I keep forgetting. I really just want to ride this thing. I'm getting excited. Another funny, goofy thing is I put the points cap on 0.18. I looked at the wrong feeler gauge, so I'm thinking this thing might just run perfectly now. So don't do that, by the way. The gap is way bigger than I thought, and I had to clean these out, the points, because there was oil in there. There's fucking oil everywhere. So I've been doing a lot of cleaning. But after I tape this up, the points right here, I'm gonna wash this all up because it's covered in soap and oil. Clean my pipes up. I even got the pipes to seal up really good too, which was weird. I just had to sit here and fuss with them forever. I'm gonna kick it over, and hopefully next little video you'll see me, we'll be going down the road. So this thing's ready. I checked the battery. It's holding charge. It's super good. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna just try to get it going. Start it, check the pressure, basically kind of let it warm up, and then I'm gonna pull the return and pump it in this bucket. And if it's pulsing, I might just kill it, plug that thing back up, and get a helmet and all that and get ready to go. So this is what I'm doing. I'm just trying to start it. Building pressure, that's good. Try to fire this up. Okay, whew. I'm gonna fuss with it. Not worried about the camera. Something cut it off, so probably fuel. Let me figure it out. All right, I kicked and I kicked and I kicked. Got it started. That was the last video. It kept dying, and then it wouldn't start at all. So then I cleaned the points, used a piece of paper, dragged it through till it was clean, and then I just couldn't get it going. I shelved it. You saw the other videos, did some other stuff. Then I thought about it. I freaking timed this thing wrong. I timed it where the timing light turns off, not right when it turns on. So that's definitely one thing. And the other funny thing is, I think I got my points cap all screwed up. I figured out that there's 0.018. Probably can't see it, and on the same thing it says 0.45 millimeter, and it's kind of thicker. Well, there's another one on here that is 0.18. Okay, so the other one is 0.007, but on the bottom of it says 0.18 millimeter. That's the one I had it on. Oh, cool. It just fell apart. Put it back together. Movie magic. So I got the points gap correct. 0.018. The other goofy thing is my oil filter. I can't figure out what's going on with it. I keep flip-flopping it, trying to figure it out. And then I got a new oil filter, figured maybe I screwed the other one up. And I just deleted it. I'm bypassing it, just doing straight to the tank. So once I get started, I'm gonna see if it flows through the tank, and I don't know, we should be good because the top end's getting oil, so it's not gonna get smoked. And I needed another one of these SI things because this one's like stuck at 8, so there's a lot of pressure in there, or this thing's garbage, just a cheapo Amazon. So I'm static timing this, and then hopefully the next clip will just be starting it. Day 2 on this one. I went to hit it with the test light, moved it around, did all the things, never freaking lit up, and then I looked up, no light coming out of the headlight. Hit it with the tester, said it had 8 on the battery, which is more than enough to do anything really with the lights or anything. I didn't even question it, let it sit on the charger overnight, and now it should be good. I got the light coming on, I'm gonna hit it, it should be at 12. I just took the leads off for the battery. Right now I'm gonna static time it the other side. The timing cover's off, the line's there, put that back on there. Yeah, I just gotta do this. So power's off. So let's get that going. I always forget what a pain in the shorts this thing is. I need to buy one that clamps on. What I've always been told to do is put it all the way to the left. I don't know why. It seems kind of dumb. Let's do this. Okay. I always forget to advance it. I start dicking around. Okay, the light's coming on. Last time it was not. There we go. Okay, I cleaned this off a little bit. Seems like this might be leaking. Can't really tell if it's from previous or not, which I just replaced the seal. So that kind of sucks. But I bought 2 of these when I bought this condenser. I bought 2 of them because I knew I'd screw something up. I know myself that well. But I bought one for the tool bag, but of course, let's do one thing at a time here. So this is a solid state condenser. It doesn't have the big tube kind. Not really sure what's better and what's worse. This one's probably worse for when you're trying to get your bike running. But oh well, I'm gonna run it. Alright, here's my old ones. To hold the points plate on. They're pretty butchered up and they're just kind of crappy and old. I want everything to ground nicely So as you can see, I got crispy order. I got new exhaust gaskets for my other bike, but I got new ones for this thing. They're pretty affordable. Head over there and get them. And he got me on a freaking raffle, little bastard. And it comes with new shiny bolts. I hope those work, actually. Oh yeah, those are really nice. Right on. All right, what's up? It's the next day. I had to take a break. I realized I needed some wire. I'm gonna replace the wire that goes from the points to the coil. That's what arced on the exhaust, so I gotta just do it right and get another thing of wire, and all I have is really small stuff. I'm sure it'll work, but it might get hot. I don't really know. I'm just gonna run what I got. Doing all this, it keeps jumping the PSI up when it ran a few times I had it earlier in the video. So what I've learned is I think the freaking oil bag is broken. I'm gonna replace it. So the next video, I'm gonna replace the oil bag with, I got a couple sitting over here for this other bike I got, and I'm gonna put one in here, pretty much just zip tie it in, plumb it in, put some oil in it, see if that works. Or somehow makeshift an oil bag or something, just to see if that's what it is. Otherwise, like, subscribe, comment. The weather's crappy. We're full steam ahead and just working on these things again, which I didn't really get a riding season. Hopefully, if the oil bag works, I can make some tabs and make some brackets, and I'll get a couple videos of me riding this thing. Have you had trouble with your points? Let me know. Shout them out in the comments. Peace.